Hi everyone, welcome to Rashda Basic Hairstyles. My name is Rashda and I am a professional hairstylist with almost 20 years of experience in the beauty industry. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cut soft curtain bangs step by step. First, I section the bangs area from eyebrow to eyebrow in a soft V shape, and you can see like you can create a V or you can create a little bit round. So I create in between round and V. Like I'm giving to her quite heavy section. Then I take a small center section as my guideline and cut it around the chin length. So the middle one I'm taking, and this is my guideline. Next, I bring the right side across at a 45-degree angle and cut it. Just I'm cutting the soft corner. Following the center guideline, I continue taking small sections to create a soft blend from shorter to longer pieces. So try to take very clean and small section, so easy to cut. And you can see the guideline easily. I repeat the same technique on the left side, following the same guideline and angle to keep both sides balanced. If you guys like my video, so please like and subscribe, and it's going to be big appreciated. And I will be posting more videos similar to if it's going to be helpful for you guys. And every day I'm posting tutorials on shorts, and you guys can watch those one too. It's very informative. So these techniques create soft face framing curtain bangs that blend beautifully into the rest of the hair. You can see how it looks nice without styling. In this video, I am focusing on the haircut. In my next video, I will show you how to style these curtain bangs using a blow dry and flat iron. Keep watching. Thank you very much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to watch my next video. Bye.